Guess what? It's bloody raining again. Oh, for God's sakes. Oh, I was wanting to go out for a Sunday morning walk. Oh, look at the state of this bollocks. Oh, hang on. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck it. Oh, God. Look at the rain running down my tiles into my gutters. Oh, Jesus H. Christ on a bloody piece of burnt toast. What a miserable Sunday morning. And look at the state of that sky. Oh, Lord. You do send us tests. Very tested. Very raining. Oh, God's truth. Okay, worker over there. Gwithrin. Can you see it? The brown house through the car outside. That's it. Okay, worker. She's losing the marbles. Lovely lady. She's from the borders of, originally born just inside the Welsh border and the marches between, what was it? On the Welsh side from Hereford or Worcestershire or Shropshire? Yeah, Shropshire. Yeah, I remember her telling me, even though she was living in Wales, the nearest proper town was Shrewsbury. Yeah, well into her 80s, near 90, more than 80s, maybe 90 already. God, people live so long these days. Look at the state of the shit. Does the rain? Well, see the water piling down the roof? That's off my this thing I'm standing under. This dormer bungalow, see? I've got these things sticking out from the bloody roof. And as I said before, I've got a slight problem up there. I went up there the other week to bang down the lead. It seems to have worked. Christ, I was taking my life in danger there. The garage to the side there, I got on top of that and got a short step ladder. Step ladder, and went on to the peak of the roof, crawl along the peak of the roof and down about here. And dun, 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 with this short handle sledgehammer. Dun, dun, dun. Seems to have worked. But it does need more attention. So I did a lazy job. Fucking hell. It was nice views from up there. Yeah. These cars, they make so noise. When it's raining and they're going down the hill, very noisy. Right, I'm going to make this 5 minutes. So what am I up to? The birds are, I don't know if you can hear the birds. They're still twittering. Sunday morning, it's about 9, is it? Is it 9 o'clock yet? Or is it 8? Oh, Max is up. Yes, it's definitely 9. How the right attempts to do something. Lost it. On my blackbirds, there was one there in my lawn, right? I got a very friendly blackbird, They're quite friendly, the male blackbird is all black, and to confuse you all, the female blackbirds are brown. Right, ta-ra. Oh, shite. Ta-ra.